All right, I have here a really cool headphone stand. Now this thing is incredible. For one, it's got a really solid base to it. And as you can see, the big spectacle is the lights. It's got this really cool like computer insert pattern. So it looks like circuits kind of going around. And then you can press this button right here, just kind of tap it actually, and you can change the color. It also comes with a remote control, so you can actually change it. So if you want the flash, you could flash it like that. You could do solid colors. I mean, really any of these colors that are on this remote control, it can do. You can also dim it down if it's too bright, dim it down a little bit or go up brighter. It just looks really stunning. You'll plug this thing in with USB-C, it comes with a cable, and it also gives you USB-C and USB-A out, so you can actually charge other devices just right there. So that's really handy, and just look at how cool this thing looks. This would look awesome on anyone's desk. I love this thing, it looks fantastic, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.